Hello dear friends, greeting of the day. Welcome in our channel Vastu Electric Tutorial class. So in our today's session we will learn about the topic that how to design the RL series circuit. So in this experiment you will able to learn that how we design the RL series circuit and how to find out the power factor of the circuit. So I will demonstrate you the whole circuit on the hardware design. So here you see that this is the circuit diagram of the RL series circuit. So here in this circuit diagram you see that this is our auto transformer. This is the voltmeter that is connected in parallel with the auto transformer. This one is our ammeter, this one is our wattmeter, and this one is the resistive load, this one is the inductive load that is connected it with the 220 volt power supply. So here this you see that this is the 220 volt power supply that is connected it with the auto transformer. Here auto transformer is what? Auto transformer is here you see that it is a one winding transformer. The same winding act as a primary winding, the same winding act as a secondary winding. And here the another name of the auto transformer is voltage variac. Means with the help of this transformer we will give the variable supply to our RL series circuit. So I will demonstrate you that where is our auto transformer and how we connect the our all components. So here you see that this one is our voltmeter that is connected in parallel with the auto transformer. So we very well know that in our AC circuit we have two kind of connection, phase and neutral. So here you see that this is the phase portion of the voltmeter, this is the neutral portion of the voltmeter. So in order to connect the voltmeter in parallel with the auto transformer, what we do? We connect the phase portion, that is the positive terminal of this is connected it with the phase terminal of the auto transformer, that is the positive terminal of the auto transformer, and neutral is connected it with the neutral. So by doing this we connect the voltmeter in parallel with the auto transformer. And here in order to connect the ammeter in series, so in the series connection the ammeter is connected in series. Here the positive terminal of this or the phase terminal of the auto our ammeter is connected it with the phase terminal of the voltmeter, and here the neutral terminal is connected it with the phase or line terminal of the wattmeter. And here you see that the neutral terminal of this is connected it with the neutral terminal of the wattmeter. So here same thing we will done in the resistive load and inductive load. Resistive load, this is the phase terminal of the resistive load, this is the neutral terminal of the resistive load, and the starting terminal of the resistive load is phase terminal, and the end terminal of the inductive load is the neutral terminal. So here the phase, this one is the phase terminal is connected with the wattmeter, and here this one is the neutral terminal of the resistive load. That neutral terminal of the resistive load connected it with the phase terminal of the inductive load, and here the neutral terminal is again is connected it with the wattmeter. So by doing this we will make the circuit, whole circuit of the RL series circuit. So I will demonstrate you that how we design that circuit on the hardware, right? So here you see that this is the observation table of this experiment. So in this experiment we will draw the observation table. Here the serial number we write, voltmeter voltage, current reading we take from the ammeter, power reading we take from the wattmeter, and power factor we will calculate. Okay, so power factor we will calculate from the formula cos phi is equal to P upon V into I. So actually we very well know that the formula of the power is P is equal to Vi cos phi. So in this formula we have V is the voltage, I is the current, and cos phi is the power factor. So as in the hardware we are using the wattmeter for the measurement of power, so that's why we will find out the power factor from this formula, that is cos phi is equal to P upon V into I. So here as we very well know that we are using the auto transformer, okay, as at the input. Auto transformer is voltage variac, so we will give the variable voltage to our whole circuit. So here 50 volt we first give to the RL series circuit. After that, corresponding to 50 volt, we noting down the reading of current and noting down the reading of power from the wattmeter. And here corresponding to 100 volt from the voltmeter, noting down the corresponding current and noting down the power. Same thing, after noting down these values, we will find out the power factor of the circuit. So now I move to the designing part. So here you see that this one is the auto transformer. Auto transformer is what? Auto transformer is a voltage variac. So with the help of this cap, we can rotate, we can vary the voltage by rotating this cap, right? And here we are using the voltmeter. Okay, so here we are using the multimeter as a voltmeter. So as we are using the AC voltage, so that's why by setting the knob to ACV, we can use this multimeter as a voltmeter. And here this wire we set onto the V ohm. Okay, so when we connect the wire to V ohm and setting the knob to 750, we able to use this multimeter as a voltmeter. And here you see that this one is the ammeter. So we can use this multimeter as a ammeter by rotating the knob to the ACA. So when we set the knob to ACA, we can able to use this ammeter as a multimeter as a ammeter. And here by connecting the wire to milliampere or 20 ampere. So I am setting the wire to 20 ampere. So by using this, we can use this multimeter as a ammeter. And here you see that this one is our wattmeter. So as in the circuit diagram, you see that we have a 6 terminals. You see that this one is in the wattmeter. In the wattmeter we have 6 terminals. First 2 terminals is for giving 220 volt power supply. Last is next is L and last one is that 2 for connecting the load. And here you see that this one is the 2 terminals, that is for the 230 volt power supply. Next 2 is for the line and neutral terminal, and the last one is for the load. When in the load we have a resistive load bank here. You see that this one is our resistive load. Okay, and here you see that this one is our inductive load. So resistive load and inductive load both are connected in series. So I will tell you that how we connect this load in series. Now we learn about that how we connect the voltmeter in parallel. So as we very well know that this multimeter we are using for as a voltmeter. So voltmeter, how we connect the parallel. So here in this circuit diagram I already telling you that the positive terminal of this voltmeter is connected it with the positive terminal of the auto transformer, and negative terminal is connected it with the negative terminal of the auto transformer. So here you see that the red terminal of this auto transformer is the phase terminal. Okay, that is the positive terminal, and this one is the negative terminal of the auto transformer. So here in order to connect this voltmeter in parallel, we have to connect this positive terminal it with the positive terminal of the voltmeter, that is the ammeter, right? And here the negative terminal is connected it with the negative of the our voltmeter, right? So here by doing this we connect the voltmeter in parallel, right? Now we going to connect the ammeter in series. So how we connect the ammeter in series? So here you see that this one is the ammeter. Okay, this one is the ammeter. That ammeter connected in series between the our wattmeter and the voltmeter. So positive terminal of this is connected it with the positive terminal of the voltmeter. Negative terminal is connected it with the positive terminal of the voltmeter. So I will tell you that how we make the connection. So here you see that this one is the positive terminal of the voltmeter, right? This is the positive terminal of the voltmeter. That positive terminal is connected it with the positive terminal of the ammeter. Okay, and after that the negative terminal, this is the negative terminal or the common terminal of the ammeter. That negative terminal is connected it with the line terminal of the, here you see that the line terminal of the wattmeter, right? So by doing this we connect the ammeter in series, right? And after that After that, the negative terminal of this voltmeter is connected it with the negative terminal of the wattmeter. So here I will tell you that here this one is the negative terminal, right? This one is the negative terminal for the voltmeter. That negative terminal from the voltmeter now is connected it with the negative terminal of the wattmeter. So by doing this, we make the whole connection up to this point. From this point to this point, we make the whole connection. Now I think the whole concept now clear to you. Now I will tell you that how we make the series connection between resistive load and the inductive load. So now as I will telling you that the phase terminal of this resistive load is connected it with the wattmeter, and here the neutral terminal is connected it with the phase terminal of the inductive load, and here the negative terminal is connected it with the wattmeter. So same thing, I will make the connection on the hardware. So here you see that this is the phase terminal of our resistive load bank. The phase terminal of this resistive load bank now is connected it with the wattmeter. Here you see that the phase terminal now is connected it with the our wattmeter. Okay, and here this is the neutral terminal. That neutral terminal, you see that this wire is connected it with the phase terminal of the inductive load, right? And after that the neutral terminal of this inductive load now is connected it with the you see that this one to the wattmeter. So by doing this, we make whole the connection of the RL series circuit. So here you see that this one is the complete hardware design of our RL series circuit. This one is the complete experimental setup of our RL series circuit. Now I think this whole concept now clear to you. Now I will take the reading, that how we take the reading from the RL series circuit. So now when I increase the power from the auto transformer, here you see that when I increase the power from the auto transformer. So now when I increase the voltage from the auto transformer, so here you see that when I increase the voltage from the auto transformer, you see that the multimeter, that is the voltmeter, shows the reading of the increasing voltage from the auto transformer. So here when I set that voltage to the 50 voltage, to the 50 volt, you see that at 50. Now I noting down the reading of current, that is 2.3 amperes, and corresponding to 2.3 amperes, the power of the circuit is 13.5. So this is the corresponding reading, that is the 50, 2.3 and 13.5. And after noting down these values on the observation table, you will find out the power factor. And now when I increase the further the voltage from 50 to 100 volt, you see that when I set that voltage to 100, so here corresponding to this the reading is 3.7, and here the voltage the power is 40. So after noting down this the value corresponding to 100 volt, you will able to find out the power factor. Now when I further increase the voltage from this auto transformer 100 to 150, you will able to note down the reading of current, that is 6.0 and 98.8 the power. And here you see that the bulb of the resistive load now start glowing, that shows that the power increasing. So when the power increase, the bulb start glowing. And here when we further set it to 200 volt, So that this is the rating of the current 8.4, and here this is the power, that is 192 193 approximate, and here you see that the brightness of the bulb now increasing when I increase the voltage, current increase, power increase, and obviously the power factor is also increasing. The range of the power factor is from 0 to 1. So here this is the complete demonstration of RL series circuit. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you very much. Keep in touch with me, and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.